Hello to all you good people, you're watching 3.0 TV. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-round update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. So keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3 to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. Now let's look at today's top trending stories. Cryptocurrencies tumble ahead of Fed minutes release, Bitcoin near $23,400. FIR filed against Fugitive Bitconnect founder Kumbhani in Pune. UK group to test stablecoin payments offer data to Bank of England. CoinFund launches $300 million early-stage Web3 venture fund. Ethereum Flippens Bitcoin in option market ahead of merge. Google invests over $1.5 billion into blockchain companies in 10 months. Crypto broker Genesis slashes 20% of workforce, CEO exits. Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen enters the Sandbox Metaverse. Bitcoin miner Stronghold sells mining gears to slash $67.4 million in debt. Crypto crime dropped by 15% in 2022 due to bear market. Now let's deep dive into these stories. Cryptocurrencies fell in evening trades on Wednesday, mirroring US stocks as investors waited release of Federal Reserve minute amid subdued economic data. US stocks fell in opening trades with the Nasdaq Composite leading the fall. Dow Jones and S&P 500 also traded lower after Target declared a 90% drop in profit as inflation-wary shoppers pulled back on spending. Investors are also anxiously awaiting the release of the Federal Open Market Committee minutes from its meeting of July 26-27, which will provide insights into the central bank's thinking on rates. The dollar traded steady against other major currencies while gold fell. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index traded at 41, considered neutral territory. Investors were seen abandoning bullish bets ahead of the release of Fed minutes, with cryptocurrency exchanges liquidating over $99 million worth of futures positions over the past 4 hours, analytical data showed. Bitcoin was recently trading at around $23,450, down nearly 2% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,830, down over 2.4% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded lower. Satish Kumbhani, the founder of crypto protocol Bitconnect, is being sought by Indian police in southwest city of Pune after an investor named him in a complaint over missing bitcoins. The complaint, known as FIR, was filed after a local lawyer said he lost close to 220 bitcoins worth $5.2 million through multiple cryptocurrency investment platforms. Kumbhani disappeared in February after being indicted in a $2.4 billion Ponzi scheme that is said to have defrauded investors in the US. In his FIR, the lawyer has named Kumbhani and 6 others. Senior Inspector D.S. Hake from Cybercrime Police Station said a probe has been launched into the complaint. No arrests have been made in the case. The Digital FMI Consortium, a group of private sector companies, said it plans to test cross-border payments and provide recommendations to the Bank of England using its own sterling-backed stablecoin, D-Sterling. The pilot, known as Project New Era, will start in October and run for 12 to 24 months. Digital FMI, which has 15 to 20 members, will provide white papers and recommendations to the Bank of England and other regulators. Crypto investment firm CoinFund has launched a $300 million venture capital fund to invest in early-stage blockchain projects. The CoinFund Ventures 1 fund will invest in Layer 1 blockchains, Web3 infrastructure, non-fungible tokens, gaming, and asset management. CoinFund Ventures is more than 3 times larger than the firm's $83 million 2021 crypto startup fund. Ether has overtaken Bitcoin in the options market for a second time this month, indicating robust market sentiment and the strength behind the price trends. According to data, open interest in Ether options pushed to a new all-time high of $8.1 billion, substantially higher than the open interest in Bitcoin options of $5.5 billion. On August 2nd, open interest of Deribit Ether options climbed to a value of $5.6 billion, exceeded the OI of Bitcoin options worth $4.6 billion by 32%, though the surge was brief. Open interest is used as an indicator to determine market sentiment and the strength behind price trends. Google's parent company Alphabet has invested over $1.5 billion into blockchain-focused companies between September 2021 and June 2022. Alphabet has invested the most money in the blockchain industry than any other public company. This followed by BlackRock's $1.17 billion investment and Morgan Stanley's $1.11 billion investment in the same time frame. Between September 2021 and June 2022, 40 companies invested approximately $6 billion in blockchain startups. Genesis CEO Michael Morrow is stepping down as the company slashes 20% of its 260-person workforce following major losses tied to the collapse of the Three Arrows Capital earlier this summer. Present COO Derar Islim is replacing Morrow on an interim basis as the company searches for a permanent replacement. Hell's Kitchen, the award-winning reality show, announced its entry into the Metaverse recently. The Sandbox is collaborating with ITV Studios to launch its first digital restaurant. Gordon Ramsay's popular show will also include a chef-themed gaming experience. With a global audience of 24 million, the show has aired 20 seasons and received 5 Emmy nominations. As a result, the new announcement will draw attention to both the Sandbox and the game. Limited edition Gordon Ramsay avatars will be released and creators will be able to build original experiences in the game. The first cooking experiences in the Sandbox were showcased in a recently released trailer. The United States-based Bitcoin mining company Stronghold Digital Mining revealed in a quarterly earnings report that it had reached an agreement with the lender New York Digital Investment Group (NYDIG) and another participating broker to return some 26,200 mining machines in exchange for the cancellation of $67.4 million in debt. Additionally, Stronghold received a commitment yesterday from the lender Whitehawk Capital to restructure and expand its current equipment financing agreements in a move that will grant the Bitcoin miner up to $20 million in additional borrowing capacity. Overall, those agreements combined with the convertible notes restructuring will reduce Stronghold's debt by $79 million. That's 55% of the company's current debt. $64 million will remain outstanding. Well, those were the top trending stories. Thank you for watching your favorite channel, 3.0 TV. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.